There are different ways to cook sweet potato, and I'll share with you how I make sweet potato pottage. As I continue, I'll show you the ingredients and tell you their measurements. I'll begin by pouring a quarter cup of palm oil into my pot. I'll allow the palm oil to get hot enough on medium heat. As can be seen in the video, you would notice some bubbles on the palm oil and a little bit of smoke coming out of the oil. Now the palm oil is ready for sliced onions. I'll proceed to slice one onion and I'll pour it into my palm oil. I'll mix the palm oil and the onion very well, and then I'll let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. While this fries, I'll go ahead to prepare the ingredients for the pepper mix. For the pepper mix, I'll be using one bell pepper, one scotch bonnet pepper, one onion, and two tomatoes. I'll blend everything very well until I get a thick paste. Now that my palm oil has properly fried the onions, I'll proceed to go in with my blended pepper mix. Then I'll add the other ingredients such as dried fish. This dried fish has been properly deboned and cleaned. I'll also add sliced Ponmo. I'll be using half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of seasoning powder or stock powder, and I'll add 2 tablespoons of crayfish powder. After this, I'll mix everything very well to ensure that everything is properly combined and ready to be fried. Now, here is one thing I like to say. For this recipe, it's so easy, it comes out delicious and nice. And it is one of my favorite recipes amongst all the sweet potatoes recipes that I know. I'll cover the pot and allow this to cook for 1 minute on high heat. While it cooks, I like to say this. You can like this video, you can leave your comments, and you can subscribe to this channel as well. All you need to do after subscribing is to click on that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I post new recipes. This right here is what my sauce looks like, and it is time for the second step. The second step is I'd add some water just to soften the sauce up a little bit and make it a little bit watery, and also to get it ready for cooking my sweet potato. Now I'll mix very well, and then I'll proceed to add my already cleaned sweet potato. This sweet potato is about 2 big sweet potatoes that have been peeled and cleaned and ready to be cooked. I'd add a little bit more water, approximately half cup of water. Earlier I added 1 cup of water, and now I'll be adding half cup of water. After I add the extra water, I'll cover the pot and cook until the potatoes are really soft. For this recipe, I like to say this: when cooking sweet potatoes, it depends on the type of potato you are cooking and how fresh it is. Now, I have cooked my sweet potato for approximately 15 minutes, and it is time for the final step. In this sweet potato recipe, the final step is mashing the sweet potato to ensure that everything is properly mixed with the sauce. I'll proceed to go in with my potato masher. But if you do not have potato masher, one other kitchen utensil that I use for this is my wooden spatula, which Yorubas call omorogun, and in Nigerian vernacular is called turning stick. Personally, I find using my potato masher very easy and straightforward, and that is exactly what I have done. It is easy, it is straightforward, and it gets my potato to have the texture that I like. Now I'll add a little bit of spring onions, which is completely optional, but I love it. I'll mix the spring onions with my potato pottage, and then it's time to serve. Sweet potato pottage is ready to be enjoyed. You really need to taste this if you haven't. And if you haven't liked this video, well, you really need to subscribe to this channel because I post amazing Nigerian food cooking videos that you will love. take a look at my delicious sweet potato pottage, ready to be eaten and enjoyed with your favorite drink. Yes, and I like to say this. Thank you for watching this video to this point. It's a privilege to have you here. Till I post my next video, enjoy yourself, have a lovely time. And I'm just simply garnishing with more spring onions because I love spring onions. Anyway, bye. Take care of yourself.